Hi, my name is Kelly Gonzalez Cuadrado. I am 13 years old. I am from Colombia, in the city of Cartagena. I live with my mother and my younger brother. I am a student of the business administration currently in the city of Cartagena. I work in the Bank de Vivienda as a cashier. I like listening to music, going to the gym. I don't like playing video games. Um, a year ago, I was on the island of San Andres, located on the Caribbean coast of my country, Colombia, in the north of South America. I went on vacation with my friends for 5 days. The weather was sunny all the time because I went in summer in April. I had the opportunity to visit the most recognized tourist places on the island and also enjoy its beautiful beaches. In my next vacation, I will travel to Cancun in Mexico. I want to visit the pyramids, the Scar Park, and Playa del Carmen, among others. I will enjoy its warm climate and its beaches. Thanks.